video is going to be a dress up video because I love dressing up, and we are going to be doing Halloween costumes today. So the first costume that I am doing is going to be a witch. I shall be a witch. Little background, I grew up in a Caribbean household where Halloween was strictly forbidden, so I actually never celebrated it, and I was kind of envious of the kids that were running around outside. So now as an adult, I get to live out my childhood when Halloween comes around. In true fashion nature, I am going to be collecting different pieces that I would probably wear outside of Halloween and mixing and matching and creating a style with this hat. I got this hat from Alter Ego for $7.99, and if you want to get it, if I can find it on Amazon, I will do my best to post it so you can get it quickly, because I know Halloween's right around the corner. We are going to go in on Pinterest for some ideas, and I'm going to see what I can gather within my house to get this look to come together. If you're not subscribed by now, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because you never know what costumes I'm going to do on this channel. This might be the channel for you. Let's get this costume party started. I am going to be doing a super simple makeup look.
These are my go-to lipsticks. I use them all the time. I'm going to be doing like a plum look, but an ombre effect. I haven't done this before, so you guys are going to be on the journey with me as well. These are the colors that I'm using, and I have two of these colors, 11, 12, and 110. I have two of the 11, 12. This is my new one because I love this color so much. And this is my old one where it dried out, but I kind of like the dried out effect, if that makes any sense. And then the darker color. I'm just going to put some color right there.
It will come together, guys, I promise.
Okay, so that's my little light plum look. My trick is get the new one, dab a good amount, and then use the dry one to spread it out. The thing I like about this lipstick is...
And no, I'm not sponsored by them.
The fact that it is long wear. I tend to wear this a lot. I'll start early in the morning, like 5 a.m., and then by the time I come home, depending on how long my day is, could be like 7 or even 10. It's still on.
Don't judge me, I'm not a makeup professional. I'm just doing this for fun.
So if you guys are a makeup professional and you know some tips on ways I can do this better, feel free to comment in the comment box. But just gonna take that. I took my 110 color and I'm putting it on the sides of the creases of my lips. Do the same thing on this side. For some reason, I always do the bottom of my lip because I feel like it's more forgiving. But pay attention to, if you're redoing this lip, pay attention to your face shape.
Take my BB cream. My 115. Hopefully this looks good. I'm not using what the brushes are intended for. I know, don't judge me. Okay. Now I'll take my darker colored brush again. Time for the outfit. We're ready. We're ready. It only took about 10 minutes. Okay. If I was going out, I'd probably add a dark purple look. Maybe from a dark smoky eye to a purple ombre. Ha ha ha. But I'm going to work, so we're gonna keep it classy and not look like we're going to a costume party. And let's go ahead and add the hat. You guys want to see the final touch. Step into my bed. Oh my gosh. Guys, I'm having too much fun doing this. Oh my gosh. Halloween is right around the corner, so if you guys are interested in this dress, go ahead and comment and let me know you want to buy it. I'll ship it out. If this video gets 50 likes, I will give this dress away. Make sure you like before Halloween comes, because you might have a simple but chic Halloween look for a witch that is still classy. You could wear this to work. Well, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and push the bell notification, because turns out YouTube doesn't let you know, even if you're subscribed, that one of your favorite YouTube channels just posted a video without pushing the bell notification. So you don't want to miss out. Since I love Halloween, I'll probably be doing a lot of Halloween styles this month just to keep it up. And if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I will post my Instagram name right here. And you can follow me on both of my channels. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Love you guys a lot.